Convert an image into a world and tile array. Choose a tile size. Choose an offset. This map is too big, this image. It has an extra tile and a half down here. There's also a list of all the shop data. We don't want that in the final world array. I am going to use the C++ version of Map Parser because it is lightning fast. I'm going to modify the world just to show that I can. I put a door there. I could remove the door. This woman should be in the sprite layer and not on the world layer. So I'm going to remove her graphic. I grabbed her graphic by hovering over her and pressing G for get or grab. So I have her selected now. Now I'm going to hit Control R and replace her with the floor tile. Now her head is still there, so I'm going to grab her head, replace that with the floor tile again. Now there's a couple duplicate floor tiles because all the tiles that were that woman's are now floors. To fix the tile palette, to remove those, we would save this world now back to an image. Then we would scan that image, and when that image was scanned, the duplicate tiles would be gone. Thanks for watching the video.